Chiropractic adjustments can provide immediate relief for people with chronic muscle pain, according to new research. Chronic muscle pain, also known as myofascial pain syndrome, affects an estimated 25% of the general population and 85% of middle-aged people. Myofascial pain can be caused by injury to muscle fibers, repetitive motions, or lack of activity. Frequently, patients have specific trigger points or hyperirritable spots of pain. In a new study, 36 patients with myofascial pain were treated with either chiropractic spinal adjustments or a sham treatment. The researchers measured patients' pressure pain threshold, or their ability to withstand pain at trigger points. Having a lower pressure pain threshold indicates more pain sensitivity and tenderness. Immediately after receiving spinal adjustments, chiropractic patients had significantly improved pressure pain thresholds and reduced sensitivity compared to the control group. This adds to earlier research showing that chiropractic is a safe, effective way to reduce chronic pain. If you suffer from ongoing muscle pain, call our office for an appointment today